Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, I'm Imelda Nzekwe. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, you know I had you big time. Keep coming back, keep supporting your girl, keep showing me some love. All right, so guys, just like the title says, a no makeup look. Yeah, so this video is actually for my girls out there that need little or no makeup, still they want to look good, like they want to look stunning, you know, sharp, you know. Oh my god, yeah. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So guys, the first thing I'll be doing is to be applying my Vaseline on my lip. Yeah. For this look, I don't need a foundation. Yes, I already have a video where I did a full face makeup without foundation, so I'm gonna leave the link up there for you guys. But then for this other one, I won't be needing a foundation, so I need something more natural that people will be like, oh my god, is she wearing makeup or is she not wearing makeup? Like, people will be confused, you know. So that is basically what we are going to do today. So we want to leave a lot of people in a confused state, so please subscribe if you haven't. I would be using my baby wipes here to clean my face. Okay, so up next I'll be using my primer from Rimmel. This is a Stay Matte primer from Rimmel. So then I'll be using my primer, my concealer. Yes, this concealer is Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'll basically be using it to highlight my face. So if you have spots, like I think I'm beginning to see one here, you can use a color corrector or you can choose to still use this. So for me, I'll be using my concealer to color correct. Up next is my beauty blender. Yeah, this is from Angle, something like that. So I'll make it so I'll be So the next thing I'll be doing is to contour. I'll be using my oud powder palette to contour. So guys, I'll be starting with the actual shade of my skin tone. I'll be using my powder palette to set this odd one. So I'll be using it to set, but I'll be using my exact shade, the shade of my skin tone. I wouldn't want this harsh line I'm seeing, so I'm trying to remove it. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be using my eyeshadow palette, normal transition color, this shade right here. Okay, so I'll be using that to just do something on my eye. Basically what I'm doing is something that is very light as possible. Remember, you want to put some people in a state of confusion, so you wouldn't want to do something that is so obvious. Okay, I think I like it this way. So what next is my mascara. So I'll be using my Calvin Klein mascara. Yeah, this is the one I'll be using today. So okay, so guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to line my lips. So to line my lips, I'll be using my classic eye pencil. Okay, so I'll be applying my lip gloss. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is to powder my face, the remaining part of my face. Guys, for my blush, in order to define my face more, I'll be using my eyeshadow palette, but then this red shade right here, but I'll be getting just small, just a little bit here, just the small. guys, up next I'll be using my brow tamer to tame my hair, my eyebrow. Alright, so that is it. The next one is just to use my ZCurl setting powder, setting spray. I'll be using my ZCurl setting spray to set my face. Alright, so guys, I am done. Done. Okay, so guys, this is basically it. This is it for me. This look is mwah for me, really. So this is for my girls out there. Like I said earlier, this is for, yes, if you are attending a burial and you wouldn't want to look as if now you kill the person and that kind of thing, you can just cook up something, you know, within a space of how many minutes. And then again, if you are in a hurry to go out, maybe you are going out on a date on something that you wouldn't want to look so dressed to kill, the guy will be like, oh ma, did you just do all these things just for this night and all that kind of thing? Since you don't want to look so heavy, you can just do this little thing that I did and then you go. And again, if you are really in a hurry to move, then we move. So that is it, guys. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, give us a thumbs up, yeah, and like, comment, share, invite your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Please, I'm waiting. I'm kidding. Just subscribe, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Try and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay loved, stay blessed, stay fabulous. You know I love you guys now and always. Yeah. Bye.